Hi everyone, welcome back. The 100 days of the DevOps with AI tools learning path journey. So I hope so you have completed day 28th agenda, that is about AWS EC2 instances. So in that it was discussed about, that's EC2 instance components and how do you launch the EC2 instance, and as well as how to connect it to the EC2 instance, and how do we use the security group to enable the inbound rules. Yes, while connecting to that instance. Yes, there are some points which were understanding that. If you didn't complete it, please go ahead and complete the first third point, then come to this agenda. So if it was completed that, then are you ready to move to this next agenda? Yes. But before starting this, what is the next agenda? So if you are following the learning path journey, and if you think this is very helpful to your friends and colleagues, then please like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe for exciting content to receive the latest updates. Yeah, now let's go ahead to understand the day 29th agenda, that is about EC2 instance security groups and as well as elastic IPs. Yeah, some more important concepts. Yes. So let's look into that. So what are those important points we have, which you are going to understand it from this agenda? Yeah, as we are following about it, our regular, the workflow. So we are in the AWS Cloud journey and day 29th and important points. But before understanding these points, so if you have this interest to enroll to this course, yes, just type that 100 or 100 days to this WhatsApp number, that is 9390604502. But then you will get that if needed more details or if you would like to enroll it, and we'll help you on that. And we are going to have that like every day 8 to 9, the sessions, that is about support sessions. So whenever you are learning that and following that, you can interact with us and you can continue the learning of it. Yes, we'll help you thus resolving the issues and problems which you're facing that. As well as, so agendas will be set that every day. And we are coming up with that evaluations also. So once that's the week that is done, the weekend evaluations, that is in the next video, I'll share it, some evaluation models. Because learning is one point and applying is another point. Yes, the learning and applying. So both way, how do we do that, or how do we complete it within the 100 days about this DevOps and Cloud? But as per this agenda, so let me quickly give that some important points. What you're going to have it in this agenda is, yes, one of the important the resource in the EC2 instance, that is security group. Yeah, this component helping about it to provide the security to the EC2 instance. Yes, so we should know that importance of the security group and how to define the inbound and outbound rules. So the default settings and as well as custom settings. And the CADRs defining that, and not only the CADRs, how do we refer that one security group with another security group? So which one is the best strategy in the security point of view? Yeah, all those points that will be covered in this security group section. And not only that, about elastic IP, yes, EIP also, which will be discussing that, and failure cases, how do you handle that with elastic IPs, and cost optimization techniques, in which context we use the elastic IP. So need of this, yes, all those points that has been covered. So in this video, so that is go ahead and review that. But interesting concept, and practically it has been demonstrated. Then once it is done, then you will be knowing that what are the different launch types that we have for that EC2 instance. That is also which have been covered. Yes, please go ahead and try to learn that. But if you'd like to learn all these points, the way you can get it is, yeah, so if you go back to that about the workflow, and if you click on this forum link, which will be redirected to the DevOps AWS forum, and that is day 29. And here, yes, one video is available and the lab guide also is available. So allocating the Elastic IP and associating it to the EC2 instance, this lab guide also is available. And about the security groups and Elastic IP, this is having. Yeah, if you click on this link, then it will be redirected to this video, which is having this almost the 2 hours video. Yeah, only on the security groups and Elastic IPs with practically demonstrating and the discussing about one more point, that is about launch types. Yes, all these concepts that have been explained. So please go ahead and try to complete that. So this today's agenda, the very, very important and interesting. Yeah, so that's all from my side from this section. So we'll meet that in the next section. Thank you.